Alright, today we're going to take a look at the book Elvis Presley 1956. It has photographs by a man named Marvin Israel. He passed away and his family put together his photos into this nice book. It's a hardcover edition. Back cover there. Let's go ahead and flip the book open. Take a look at it. Much like Alfred Wertheimer, this photographer followed Elvis around in 1956, taking photos of him. Many are very familiar, a lot are not. But we'll go ahead and take a quick look. One thing that the book suffers from, I think, is they take photos and make them into a full-page spread like this one. And this one here looks okay, but there are several others where Elvis's face is right smack dab in the middle of the two pages, and it distorts the image a little bit. So maybe if they put out another edition, they can correct that. That's a really good picture. Elvis backstage with Scotty. Tune it up, maybe practicing a little bit. Pretty cool shot. Really cool shot here of the full stage. You can see all the members very clearly. Elvis is in the spotlight. Spotlight's on the back curtain there. Pretty cool shot. Standing right behind DJ taking a shot. Pretty cool, huh? Wonderful, wonderful pictures. Really good shots. Some fan photos. And they cover the opening here of Love Me Tender in a minute. I was signing autographs for the girls. And here we are with the opening of Love Me Tender that the Colonel set up with all the girls outside with the hats and the signs. This is a pretty cool shot because it shows a whole bunch of movies that were out at the time and all the different hairdos in the wardrobe. Pretty cool, interesting shot from 1956. Some girls waiting outside of the theater to get in to see the movie. That one there looks pretty dangerous, that girl. And a photo that Mr. Israel took that looks strikingly familiar to one of the promo posters for Love Me Tender. And then Mr. Israel also went to Elvis's home on Audubon Drive, took some photos there. Picture of Gladys. Vernon and Gladys out on the back porch, looking happy as usual. And the book closes with Elvis driving out of the driveway and taking off. And notice there's no fence. There's no gate. Pretty interesting. And no fans out front. Maybe nobody had realized he'd moved in yet. Find that hard to believe, but there we go. So there's a extended look at Mr. Israel's book, Elvis Presley 1956. Well worthy of a purchase.